Ha?
Ramai sangat.
Semua.
Semua.
Wow.
Okay.
Share dulu lah perasaan aja. Kenangan di atas pentas tadi.
Should I? Okay. Tak sangka. Really, I keep saying menang kalah tak penting. Niat kita dah tentu, dah ikhlas, and then all these awards and money and everything is just a result. Dia hanya satu result. So of course I'm very very grateful, sangat-sangat bersyukur atas this peluang, and I want to thank my fans and my family, my team. Thank God, I want to thank everyone. But menang kalah, yang penting ikhlas, payung tetap payung. Yes.
Lain je, makna ucapan awak tadi mungkin awak boleh sikit.
Yang mana?
Yang kata
atas
Cik
stage
Puan
tadi,
Right.
tanya dan
So because in the interview she asked me siapa payung saya, sebab I selalu payung orang, and she caught me at a very good time, bad time, and I stuck. So I felt very bad after that for not having an answer, and really thank you so much for giving me this chance to redeem myself and to say the proper thank yous, and to address what I was actually going through lah. So yang paling penting, I think we need to be very very grateful lah, kena bersyukur dengan apa-apa saja. Menang kalah really tak penting. Yeah, so
Kenapa tak ambil masa untuk dapatkan jawapan untuk Cik Puan Sarima?
I think her being one of the best interviewers, I've never met anyone like her, and I heard that she studied psychology and all, so she really knew how to tackle me at that time, and everything was not scripted, so it was very natural, and I pun tak sedia. And to be honest, at that time I was going through something myself, so I wasn't prepared. So but yeah, Cik Puan Sarima, thank you so much for that great interview, really. Yeah, and I just want to be as honest as I can, I boleh je jawab apa yang patut, but I want to follow my feelings more than what is correct, Yeah.
Sorry, kalau boleh tanya, are you Muslim? Sorry, saya tak tanya.
No, I'm Chinese, but yeah, I have a lot of my Malay Muslim friends with me that already take me as a family, so mungkin I just
Terbiasa.
dah biasa. Yeah.
So sambutan Chinese New Year macam
Chinese New
mana?
Year sikit.
Persiapan
Ini ni hadiah untuk
Apa tu?
Chinese
Chinese
New Year.
New Year.
Oh, Chinese New Year. To be honest, I haven't been preparing much. I just open je. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back home, meet my family, my
Kat mana?
parents. Kat ni Shah Alam.
Oh, Syah.
Shah Alam je. Yes. So nothing too crazy.
Tadi
Yeah.
you cakap you dikelilingi kawan-kawan Muslim kan? So adakah akan cuba untuk berpuasa?
Oh yes, memang I dah tahun keempat saya puasa. So last year I dapat puasa penuh. The first 2-3 years tu macam on and off. This year kalau dapat I try my best,
So,
Puasa penuh.
memang you ni memang nak ke atau
Apa yang
Yes,
mendorong you
yes.
untuk berpuasa?
Yes, sebab everyone around me is Muslim, and I think it's very natural for me to nak ajak siapa makan, you know what I mean? So we join, and also I feel like as I learn more from them, I see a lot of beauty in the practice and the religion as well. I do intermittent fasting. I'm not sure how many of you tried, but I believe in fasting. I believe in fasting. But of course, bulan Ramadan fasting is a different level. It's a different type of cabaran. Memang banyak uji lah your kesabaran dan sebagainya. So I try my best.
Kita boleh jejak, kalau puasa, you sahur ke?
Yeah. I try. If not, what we call more. More lah.
More tulas makan lah.
More tulas makan.
Jadi kalau berpuasa pun, contohlah buka puasa pun memang akan pilih makanan yang halal ke macam tu?
Yang baik.
Yeah, of course. Sebab I buka
dengan
bersama
Dengan
dengan
kawan-kawan
ni kan. Yeah, my team ramainya yang Muslim. So tak baiklah. Hanya mau. Yeah.
Jadi mungkin orang nak tahu masih single?
Yeah.
Tak, itu soalan selalu yang orang
Betul. Masih single.
Jangan
Yes.
tipu.
Tak.
Tapi kalau kriteria apa yang dicari tu wanita seperti apa yang dicari?
I want to really be myself, find myself sebelum I commit with another person. I think if you don't know yourself, then you expect orang yang your other half to complete you, and I don't think that's the right way. I mean, of course I've been into relationships juga, so now I just wanna take it slow lah. Yeah.
Ini bukan masanya ke atau?
I rasa kita tak tahu. It's not up to me to say masa tu sekarang ke nanti, but I believe it will come. I believe.
Nigel, sebelum ni pernah ada isu dengan seorang pelakon juga kan, berkenaan dengan produk, ditiru, diciplak dan sebagainya. Masih berlaku lagi perkara tersebut ke macam mana?
So far not yet, not that I know of, tapi ada juga yang masih tengah jual design-design kita yang fake. So it's a endless battle, you know, bila you try to make it bigger, your brand grow, and so does yang inilah, yang fake pun akan grow juga. So
Rasa terkilan tak bila dah isu ni dah dibesarkan, orang dah mengetahui perkara tu, tapi mesti ada lagi.
yeah, orang lagi berani. It gives them the idea now.
Okay.
You know, ada lagi yang jual design capacity yang fake. So I try my best to hopefully, you know, these videos can go out there and create awareness, because it's so hard for local brands like us to establish kan. My whole team put in all the work only to be sold at 30 ringgit, 40 ringgit. You know, quality pun tak sampai tapi jual mahal lagi. So yeah, it's taking money from other people's family juga, you know.
Mungkin
all
dia
of
kata
our hard work.
makin besar isu tu, tapi ada tak nak ambil tindakan undang-undang ke bagi meredakan perkara tersebut supaya orang lebih takut untuk melakukan perkara yang sama?
We mention about it masa dengan pelakon tu, tapi secara terbuka tak lagi. Kita tak cakap apa-apa nak ambil tindakan ke apa, tak adalah. Tapi we did mention as much as we can lah, here and there, supaya dia orang tahulah ada consequences. Dia bukan just ambil and tiru sahaja.
Okay.